Hi friend, welcome back to another video. So happy to have you here. Today's video is going to be a little maintenance vlog because I'm honestly at that point where as a gym girl, I love having my natural hair. I love rocking it. I love having it out. I just, you know, it's a vibe. It's cute. It's me. We love her. But I'm kind of at that point where I'm ready to switch it up a little bit, you know, and really pop out being like, who is she? She's a brand new woman, baby. So with that being said, we need to start prepping tonight. It's 6:33 p.m. Okay, if you know anything about washing natural hair, then you know that it is an all-day thing. So am I playing a very dangerous game right now? Absolutely. But are we going to get it done? You darn Skippy. So with that being said, I'm gonna give you a quick little rundown. We're gonna start off with hair. We're gonna do some nails, okay, at home, because these cutie patooties, they're starting to get a little grown out. So I'm gonna take you along through my little gym girl maintenance day. All right, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, so right now this is what we're working with. We need to detox our hair, make sure it is nice and clarified and squeaky clean for the hairstylist. Then we also need to make sure that it is nice and moisturized because it is going into a protective style. So we need to make sure that we are giving it all of the tender love and care that we can possibly give it. So let me tell you all of the products that I'm going to be using. First, I'm going to be starting out with this Way Detox shampoo. Never used this before, but I'm honestly just excited to try it because it does have apple cider vinegar in it, which means that it is going to help really clarify and reset our scalp and our hair. So making sure we don't have any flakes, no residue, no nothing. Typically, I do like to go in with the Design Essentials Oat Protein and Henna shampoo, but you know, like I said, we're gonna switch it up today. But regardless, I always like to double cleanse. I like to start off with a clarifying shampoo, and then I like to go in with a moisturizing shampoo just to really, you know, restore any moisture that was lost. Even though the Design Essentials clarifying shampoo, I will say, it leaves my hair feeling really nice and clean without feeling as though I just completely stripped away all of the life from my hair. Let's bring back some of the moisture. I'm gonna go in with the Honey Cream shampoo from Design Essentials. As you can see, we love Design Essentials over here, okay? 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. After that, I'm gonna go in with a deep conditioner. This deep conditioner is really good. It always leaves my hair feeling super moisturized and juicy and soft, and that's what we want. During last week's wash day, I did go in with the Redken acidic bonding treatment. So I use a shampoo and conditioner, so that's why I'm not really doing like a protein or bonding treatment this time around. This time around, I'm really just more so focusing on the moisture because, like I said, I already did like the strengthening aspect last week, so I don't feel the need to do that this week. Now, the hair salon's website did say to come in with completely clean hair, like no product, no nothing, otherwise they're gonna have to rewash your hair. But with that being said, I'm still going to go in with some heat protectant just to blow out my hair, obviously, because I want to, you know, protect the curls. So I like to go in with this OGX Bond Repair Protein Heat Protectant Spray. It protects up to 450 degrees, and I like the fact that it's a bonding kind of heat protectant, so as it's protecting my hair from the heat, it is also giving it some strength. So that is it for all of the products that I'm going to use. I'm going to wash my hair because, like I said, it's already pushing 7 o'clock, okay? So I kind of had to, you know, put some pep in my step, wash my hair and blow dry it, and that's a whole nother task in itself. But I'm gonna come back, show you maybe, or I'll check in tomorrow, girl. I don't know. It's been a day. I'm tired and I'm hungry. And also, we're gonna go to the gym tomorrow. I don't know if I mentioned that. No, I definitely didn't. This is very chaotic. Welcome. We're definitely still gonna hit the gym tomorrow bright and early, 6 a.m. baby. Hit a nice full body workout routine. So if I don't see you back tonight, I'll definitely see you in the morning. Okay? Good morning, sunshine. It is a new day. I washed my hair last night. So right now I'm just rocking my hair in like a little, you know, bun, keeping it cute. Got the hat on. Today's gonna be full body because I don't know if I'm gonna hit the gym tomorrow because we're supposed to get like the world's craziest winter storm. Don't know how true that is, but just in case, I still want to hit, you know, some full body, get a little sprinkle of everything in today. Yeah, we're gonna go and hit the gym tonight. Baby girl. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake an ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the
shaking ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Okay, so we're back from the gym, and I'm not gonna lie, I low-key feel like a chicken with this head cut off. I finished my post-workout meal, had to clean myself up. I had to make sure I packed my bag with all of the things that I needed to keep myself entertained, because when I booked my hairstyle, it said that it was gonna take up to 6 hours and 40 minutes. Fingers crossed it really does not take that long, because that's insane. And it's like, I get it, as a hairstylist, you want to make sure everything is good, everything is up to par, but goddamn, that is a long time. So I have my Kindle, I have my iPad. I'm gonna edit this video. I have snacks. I am literally making sure that I am prepared. We do have to get going because my appointment is at 12:05, and I think it's about to be 11:30 or so. I don't know what time it is. It's probably like 11:20 or something like that. And the spot is over in Harlem, so I kind of gotta get to step in. Okay, so let's hurry up and head out.
Alex, Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me?
We're back. Hair is done. Hair is laid. Hair looks very much so tea, if I do say so myself. I'm literally obsessed. Had such a great experience at Jolly Den's beauty bar. Honestly, 10 out of 10. Was it a little pricey? Yes, but honestly, you really are paying for comfort and the experience. Like, they gave me a complimentary sandwich, they gave me a complimentary drink. Like, it was definitely 10 out of 10. So if you're looking for a really nice salon to just get your hair done, where you're gonna feel comfortable, you're not gonna feel like everybody is on top of each other, and they have great music playing in the background, then I definitely recommend checking them out if you obviously live in New York. But now that our hair is done, it is time to do something with these nails, because let me just show you what we're working with. Okay, they're a little grown out. We're going on 5 weeks. Today is what, Tuesday? Yeah, today's Tuesday. Tomorrow would officially make 5 weeks, and yeah, they're a little grown out. We're kind of, you know, due for a fresh set. But honestly, I'm so proud of my retention, because 5 weeks is not bad. Like, proud of myself. But I don't really know what I want to do for the inspo. Part of me kind of wants to do red, but I think I'm only influenced because I'm wearing red right now, so I don't know. Let me show you. This is kind of what I'm thinking, but of course on like almond shaped nails. Mine is like the 3D lines. I think I'm gonna skip that, but everything else I really like. But then I also have this inspo, but I don't really know. So clearly I want to do a little nude and gold moment with like a few rhinestones, few gems, nothing like too crazy, because I like statement nails, but I don't want it to be like too much. I think I'm leaning towards the first one more. Yeah, I think we're gonna do the first one. That's kind of speaking to me. Yeah, I need to take off these nails. I'm not gonna film that just because that's gonna be a whole other process in itself, and I don't want this video to be super long. So I'm gonna do the removal, and then I'm gonna come back once I finish doing all of my nail prep, and once it's time to actually do the design. Okay, see you in a little bit. Okay, it's been like 3 hours later, and I'm finally finished with my nails. Obviously, I still need to do like the actual design. I just have the base color right now. So let's start some of the nail designs together. Okay, so I just went in and cured all of my nails. I put top coat on the index and the ring finger only, just because we're gonna put chrome on that. And with chrome, you don't want to have like a shiny or tacky base, so I like to go in with a matte top coat just to make sure that the chrome is actually isolated. And then for the chrome, I'm just going to go in with a black, just so that way the gold is actually nice and opaque. And this is not a tutorial or anything, but like if you really want me to go in depth with like all the nitty-gritty, I definitely will. And the chrome part is honestly pretty easy. I'm just gonna go in with a dotting tool and just make a random squiggly line, just pretty much like going around the nail, kind of abstract, so it literally does not have to be perfect whatsoever. So now we have something like this, and then we're just gonna go ahead and cure that for only 30 seconds. Okay, so now that that's cured, literally now, all we do is go over it with the chrome. Okay, and now that it looks a little crazy, all we do is just wipe off the excess chrome. Okay, so I'm gonna go and lock this in, add my gems, and then repeat on the other side. And don't be alarmed if you see any edges or like nails that are looking a little wonky. Once I finish everything, I'm gonna go in and like sharpen everything up because gel X can be a little thick, so don't be alarmed. But I'm gonna do all of that and then I'll follow back up. Okay, so 5 hours later and our nails are finally done. Oh my god, I can't even begin to describe the tiredness that I feel right now, but mission accomplished, and that is all that matters. I have to wash off all the little like excess nail polish, you know, you already know the vibes. But yeah, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you want like a full-blown nail routine at home for gel X, let me know, and also let me know what other videos you want to see, and I will see you next time. Bye.